That's not a problem. Primary, because it's fat. Primary thrust plate, the secondary is back here. You'll see it when I pull this out. The primary is here, secondary is here because this thing thrusts this way. You're only thrusting into the fat plate. The secondary is just for the oscillation of the rotor. Yeah, blues and reggae, that's my music. The primary thrust plate was. Secondary's there. I forget that damn set screw religiously. These things are not supposed to be in here this tight to start with. See, and this is what was stopping me from getting it out. Kept bouncing off of it. And here's what this looks like. The primary is always where the thrust goes. The thrust on these pushes to the front. And then the gear rack, of course, goes around here. But and here's the whole assembly. Yeah, that's what it looks like. You get this guy over the back to seal.